to the channel. It's Katonya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. We're going to work our core today. So it's a short segment. We're going to do 100 pumps. And just a little tidbit for you. If you happen to have stretch marks like me, what you could do is use some aloe vera gel to help restore the collagen and get rid of those marks. But it only really works if it's fresh. You just got them. And the marks didn't turn white. So if they're still brown, there's a good chance it'll completely go away. So in any case, you can still use the aloe vera gel on that area. I think it'll still help soften it up. I still use it and I'm still working on it. All right, so let's go down to the floor or bed or couch, whatever you're going to do the pumps on. And I'm going to show 3 ways of doing it. So you're going to roll down. And you're going to inhale for 5 counts, exhale 5 counts. So you can either stay low and just pump the arms, squeezing those abs. You can do it from a chair position. You can do it with the head and shoulders off the floor, but make sure you pull the navel in so it doesn't pooch. And then the third level is you can do the legs stretching out and in. Make sure you really pull the core in tight. All right, so you can do it for a minute or stay with me for the whole 100. And let's begin with preparation. And let's pump strong. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now if you feel your neck, just lower down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Almost there. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. And rest. Let's do a little windshield wiper here. That feels really good. A little treat. All right. So if you liked, please give a thumbs up and do share and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com. We now offer memberships and there's so many wonderful things on the site to check out. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Ta-ta for now.